Alright, full demo. I got the LCD going. Of course, the camera doesn't like to pick it up. There's a bright blue light there, but anyways. I take this and jumper to the furnace. If I can do this with one hand. First ignition, heating engaged. And the wire fell out, so it turned it off. There's that one. There's cooling mode. Cooling mode turns on the main fan. And there's also fan only mode. Which is just the fan. But heating mode is the one with all the advanced stuff going on. Oh, yeah, power wire just fell out. Dang it. This is difficult to do. Oh well. What has happened to this wire? No longer wants to stay in. I used a lighter to trick the flame sensor. Alright, let's simulate a flame out. First flame out, check over, gas valve's turned off. Cool!